So yeah, hey y'all. Welcome to my channel. This is not even like a planned video. This is not even like my usual camera setup and everything. This is my iPad. Okay, like I just threw everything up. I was definitely in the middle of something. And I decided to just get on here and talk a little bit. One, yeah, I got, oh yeah, we got some inches or whatever, but we're not here for the inches. I just kind of want to talk about my friends, your friends, real friends. I've been having a lot of conversations with a lot of my friends this week, and it's been a lot going on in the past couple of days, not just like in my own life, but just like in the world. And I've been thinking about it like all week. It's been affecting my week. It's been affecting my conversations with people, and I just thought about it and wanted to share it with you guys and talk to you guys while I get my hair together. So yeah, I just wanted to do that, and it happened to happen at the same time I'm doing my hair. So right now it is September the 15th. Yeah, no, it's the 14th, September the 14th. Hurricane Florence is taking over my state right now. I live in North Carolina. Yeah. Curly girl probs. But it doesn't hurt. I'm not pulling my hair. It just sounds like it. It's actually going through pretty smooth. But yeah, Hurricane Florence has taken over my state. South Carolina, Virginia, and Georgia are all affected. I'm not sure about the other lines of damage, but I know that all of those states are in the way right now. My job has been closed all day today, and they'll be closed tomorrow, and I had a half day yesterday. I have friends who are like in the direct area of Hurricane Florence who I've been keeping in contact with and trying to make sure they're safe and that they're okay and that they have all the resources and they know that I'm here for them. If I can help in any way, sending some money, sending help, things like that. And it's just crazy that like all of this is happening shortly after Mac Miller's passing. It's just like, I don't know, I just haven't had a moment to not feel an abundance of things in the past couple days. I'm gonna be looking away because my hair, guys, but I'm here. I don't know, it's just been a little crazy. I've had a lot of emotional interactions in the past 6 to 7 days. They've been helpful, they've been a little sad, but they've been healing. If nothing else, they've been healing. Hope for my friends, but definitely for myself. After getting the news of Mac passing, like there's always this overwhelming support or this like big conversation that people have with each other and themselves about like checking in and mental health and suicide and depression and drugs and substance abuse in general. But that's definitely something that I don't only think about when something big like this happens. I have had and have my own struggles with mental health all the time, and so when stuff like this happens, I don't want to say it's triggering, but it's just kind of like triggering because I'm like forced to think about it since it's the current topic of conversation, which can be a good or bad thing. I guess it just depends on how you look at it. I guess I try to take it as a good thing because it forces me to talk about things that I am not good at talking about with other people. Not that I don't want to, it's just, well, I guess I don't always want to because I don't like being labeled as whatever it is someone might label me as, and I also don't like seeming vulnerable, and I don't like feeling like I can't handle, what life is throwing at me. But sometimes, like, I really can't handle what life is throwing at me, and I need to reach out and I need to talk to people and I need to, figure out another way to get things done. And my boyfriend is very helpful when it comes to that, and so are my friends. But still, it's hard because even when you know, or let me not say that, even when I know I have a bunch of people around me who could potentially help at the time or at the moment that I'm feeling or thinking whatever I'm thinking, it doesn't feel like that. So I'm trying to get better at, I don't know, I guess blocking out my own negative thoughts as far as feeling like no one's gonna understand me, or no one's gonna be there to listen to me, or no one's gonna be there to help me, you know? So it's just an everyday thing with myself. And I think the best way for me to, like, I don't want to say get over it, but the best way for me to get through it is by checking on the ones around me. I don't know. It's weird. It's like I feel better about helping my own mental health when I can help my friends with theirs. If that makes sense. It's like, okay, I want my friends to be so strong. I want my friends to be so well taken care of that I need to take care of myself so that way I can take care of them. You know, does that make sense? So I have to do certain things to take care of myself so I can be here to take care of my friends and to make sure they're good, and my family and anyone else who may need me or need a friend or need someone to talk to. I can't be all I can be for them if I can't even be that for myself. So that's where I've been at lately. That's what I've been trying to work on lately. My great friend, my great friend Diamond, another YouTuber, great YouTuber, been doing this for years. She made a video the other day about checking in on your strong friends. It's funny, she sent me a message, you know, checking in on me, and everything like that, and I really appreciate her for that. She's been the greatest, sweetest friend to come into my life this past year, and I don't know why it took so long for the universe to put us together. I really don't know, but I'm glad that we're here together now. And she's definitely helped me realize that, hey, there are some people out here who give a fuck, and if you just reach out, they'll help you. So that's what she has definitely taught me, and that's what her video also helped me realize, which I was realizing before the video, but you know, you further realize when somebody else says it. And I've been reaching out to all my people a little bit more the past couple days, the ones that I perceive as strong, and the ones who I feel may not get enough attention and love from me. I don't know about their other friends or other family members in their life, but I wanted my friends and family and loved ones to know that how Mac was feeling, how I feel often and have always felt, it doesn't have to be an option for them as long as I'm around. You know? It's like, okay, I have my days and I have my moments and I have these situations that I don't always know how to handle, but I never want you to feel like you have to go through these moments as long as I'm here to help you through them, you know? Even if I can't eliminate the problem, which I know I can, because, you know, I'm not a professional. I'm trying to style it, but I want them to know that regardless, I'm there and I'm here to help, and I'm here for them in any way, shape, or form. Wow. Okay. There's some hair there. So yeah, that's what I've been on the past couple days, past 6 days or so. And so this hurricane is, it's bad timing, but I don't think things have bad timing. You know, everything has the timing it's supposed to have. Things are supposed to happen the way they're supposed to happen. It's just, right now it just seems like bad timing because I'm just going through all that other stuff less than a week ago. And now we have this to worry about. And the same friends that I just had to reach out to, I'm now making sure that they're safe, like physically safe from the storm. All my people are here and good. And everybody who is not in my friends group or my friend in my circle but is still affected by this hurricane, I hope you guys are great. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you're not in any direct line of issues. Like where I'm at right now, it's just a lot of wind and it's cloudy. Might be getting some bad weather later, but I know it's not going to be nearly as bad as the coast. So anybody on the coast, all of my friends in that area, please get out. Please get somewhere safe. And make sure you're with some people that love you and care about you and will watch out for you while Mother Nature does what she got to do, I guess. So that's what this video was, y'all. It wasn't even nothing crazy. I don't even, yeah, nothing crazy, nothing long. I just had to do that really quick. Glad you guys could see my hair, I guess, my length check. Check on your friends. Check on your coworkers. Check on your boss. We all got something going on, even if you don't know about it. And make sure you're just checking on yourself. Sit back. Hey, China girl, what's up? Talk to me. How you feeling? What can we do to make you not feel how you're feeling right now? You know, what can we do to ensure that you're not gonna feel like this anytime soon or at all? You know what I'm saying? So that's just where I'm at right now, y'all. That's where I'm trying to stay. I'm trying to just work on myself so I can help others. And how am I helping myself? It's a bunch of things. I need to be, one, more patient with myself. I'm so impatient with my growth. I'm so hard on myself. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's actually really traumatizing. But like I said, I'm working on it. I'm human. And at the end of the day, to wrap this video up, I just want anyone who may see this video, who may click it, who may come across it, whatever the case may be, I just want you to know that if I have a social listed beneath, you can contact me on that social and you can ask me about anything. You can talk to me about anything. I am the most open, understanding, apologetic person you'll probably ever meet on the internet. We're internet cousins now, okay? If you're watching me, if you're subscribed to me, if you're following me, whatever the case is, we met once, twice, thrice. We're cousins. We're cousins, and I'm here for you. And I don't want any more hashtags. I don't want any more people lost for something like mental illness or suicidal thoughts or depressive feelings. Like I don't like seeing that. I think that's so preventable. I think we can definitely help people, even if it's yourself. We can help people avoid that situation and avoid this whole thing. We just got to be a little nicer. We got to be a little bit more open, and we just got to trust people a little bit more. Trust that they're going to be there for us. Trust that they're going to give us good advice. Trust they're not going to judge us, you know, because that's what I struggle with, trusting that people aren't going to think I'm whatever, you know. Done, finished. Check out Diamond's video. I'll link it down below. I'm having trouble looking where I'm looking because, again, this is not my setup, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to link her video down below. Stay tuned to my channel. I just ordered a new ring light, so you know I'm about to be popping. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of more videos like this. A whole lot more videos like this. It's gonna be really casual. I had no makeup on. I ain't got no pants on. Like, you see, guys, like, but it's good. It's all good. It's all good. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like, I really do love you guys. Like, I don't even have to know you to love you, because that's the kind of person I am. But all right, cool, done, finished, bye. Be safe out here in the hurricane. Be safe in the world in general, and hit me up on everything, guys.